Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you and happy Monday. Right? Is it a happy day? Yeah, it is. And we can make our days happy. Do we? Just by doing, yeah, putting a big smile and feel strong, be positive, and stay safe, right? That's good. So, we are going to start our week and our day, right? So, very good morning, beautiful day, and we're going to do a lot of fun and enjoy ourselves, right? So, are you ready for that? That's good. So, we have to get ready for our class and it's a little chilly, so first of all of you just rub your hands, right? Yes, rub your hands, rub your hands. I hope all of your hands are clean. You must have washed them. Good, excellent. Super good. Right. Okay, so just rub your hands to make a little heat, right? So you'll get ready, your hands will be ready, you yourself will be ready. No, we have to even put ourselves, our body even ready, right? By just doing a little of exercise, right? Early in the morning that keeps us, yeah, that keeps us energetic and fresh, right? Okay, I hope nobody's feeling sleepy. Yeah, great. Super great. Okay, that is really good. Okay, so everybody just stand up. Yeah, stand up and relax. Yeah, okay. So, hands up. Right. Oh, great. Good. Okay. Right. Okay. Good. Okay, stop. Right. Now you are going to jump a little before we start to get some energy, right? Okay, so let's start. I will count and you are going to jump, right? Okay, now let's start. One, good, a little higher. Not much, but just a little higher, right? Two, good. Three, yeah. Four, good. And five. Yay. That is great. Okay, go stop, stop. Stop jumping, stop jumping. That's enough. Good. Yes, that means you had your breakfast, right? And you have a lot of healthy foods. That's good. See, that looks like now you are big super kids, like eating healthy food, you will become super kids, right? Yeah, and you will do your work very quickly, neatly, nicely, right? And on time, right? Okay, that's great. Everybody settle down. Good. Very good. Okay, that's great. So we have to prepare our hands for writing practice, right? We will do the practice that is going to push us, this is going to give us a start for writing, right? So we will practice tracing today. But before that, we have a friend here to meet you. And who is that? Let's see who is here to meet you. Ah, who is this? Mr. Elephant, good morning. How are you today? You don't look like much happy. What happened? Oh, you are here to meet my friends. Okay, so Mr. Elephant wants to meet you and say good morning. Okay, Mr. Elephant, good morning. Now, all of you, look at Mr. Elephant's trunk. Ah, yeah, look at his trunk. See, it's a little curve in his trunk, right? Yeah, that's a little curve in his trunk. And we are going to trace a curve today, right? Okay, so Mr. Elephant, it's very good to see you here today in the morning. Okay, so we want you to please join us in the class, right? Okay, that's great. And we will do the tracing of a curve line like his trunk, right? Okay, now everybody is going to take out your book, Alphabet Fun A to M, lowercase, right? Small letters A to M, Alphabet Fun, your yellow book with the dinosaur, and you have to open up the page number 6, right? Page number 6. Great. Lovely. Super good. Everybody. And now what you can see on page number 8. What do you see on page number, sorry. What do you see on page number 6? Sorry. I made a mistake. Page number 6, right? Everybody on page number 6? Yes, do you see something like this? Ah, you see an elephant? Yes, there is an elephant on page number 6. Great, you find it. Yeah, this is page number 6. Oh, see, Mr. Elephant is here to meet us. Oh, Mr. Elephant, you have a friend here, right? So see, the trunk of the elephant is a little curve, right? So we are going to trace the shape of curve. Very good. Yes. And do you remember that how and where, from where we're going to start? Now look at the page carefully and remember from where we have to start. Now, do you remember that? Everybody? Any of you? Okay. Ali, yes, you tell us. Yes, excellent. You have to start from this red dot, right? You're going to start from the red dot. Excellent. So everybody now put your books on the table flat. Yeah, horizontally. Good. Yes. And now you are going to hold your pencils, do you know, with the 2 fingers, and you are going to lock it with your thumb. Yeah, you remember. That's great. Super good. Now, book on the table, flat, horizontal, right? Pencil in your hand, right? With 2 fingers and the thumb lock. Okay. And now you're going to sit properly and relax so you can write in a very, very appropriate position, right? Ready? Okay, that's great. That is super great. So we are going to trace the curve line, right? Okay, now let's start. So everybody put your pencils on the red dot, right? Everybody start the first one, right? Now put your pencil on the red dot and slowly, slowly, slowly come down. Yes, very slowly. Yes, then make a curve. Stay on the line. Yes, make a curve and then end, right? Everybody? This was easy, right? Yeah, it was easy. You have to stay on the line. Don't go off the line, right? Yeah, that's great. And that will be possible if you're sitting properly, if you're holding your pencil properly and correctly, right? Yes, relax yourself, right? No hurry. Do it nicely, right? Okay, now come up onto the next one. That's the same one. Yeah, you're going to repeat the same thing starting from the red dot. Yeah, very well done. Very well done. Yes, come down, come down, come down on the line and then curve, a little curve, and then yay, super good. Fantastic, fantastic. Yeah, very, very, very good. Good, 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 good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So now come up onto the next one, the third one. Sorry, the third one, right? Okay, the third one. Come on, everybody. Now look carefully. You have to trace, joining the dots, 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 join, right? Okay. Now, starting from the red dot, everybody follow the line. Yes, come down. Yeah, good. And curve. Yay, excellent. Okay, now Alfie, show me. Wow, fantastic. Good. No jerky lines, no wavy lines, no zigzag lines. Only the straight and then a little curve line, right? Good. We will do wavy and circular lines, right? But we will do tomorrow, right? Okay. So all of you now jump onto the next one. Yeah. No. Don't jump. Standing. Like, put your pencil on the other one. Yeah. Yes. Good. Okay, that's great. Good. You love jumping, right? I also do. Okay. Now come up to the next one and start tracing. Yeah, that's the fourth one, right? Okay, that's great. Very nice. Very nice. This is the fourth one you're doing, right? Okay, that's great. Wow, that is easy for you. Okay, now we will do the second line, right? Okay, now come up to the next line. Yay, good, fantastic. Okay, so everybody completed, and then we will see how did you do that. Just good. Lovely. Fantastic. Okay. That's great. Okay, lovely. Okay, put your pencils down. Right. Okay, now how many flowers can you see on this page? Show me your fingers only, okay? How many flowers do you see? Yay! One, two, three, four. And how many elephants? Yeah, one. And how many elephants do you see on your screen? No, not one. One, two. We have two elephants. Wow. See? Was it easy? Yeah, that was easy. Okay. So now, what is your homework? You're going to note on your homework. You are going to do page number 7. That is almost the same, right? Now, this is the shape of a hockey, and you are going to trace this, right? This is your homework. This is page number 7, right? Page number 7. Good, excellent. And this is your homework. You're going to complete it with your siblings, okay? Or your mommy or your daddy, right? Whoever is available. And if you can do it independently, that's even better, right? You do it yourself and ask if you need a little help. And you'll not be needing that. I don't think so, because you can do it on your own and you're doing it perfectly, right? Yes, that is good. Okay, so this was our tracing of curve lines. We are preparing our fingers for writing, right? Okay, do you want strong fingers? Yes, we want strong fingers so we can write very well. Okay, so this was a numeracy class, right? And we did curve line tracing today, right? So this is the end of our class. Now I will see you in your next class, right? So till then, I'll say bye-bye, stay safe, be happy and positive, right? Okay.